We have finally crossed the border to South Australia after 2 months in Victoria, just getting used to the van and all that. We made it.
Straighten up. Okay.
You reckon, or no, too close to the...
Yeah, you could do that. It would be on an angle. Do you care? Like it's a bit of a hill here.
I need a normal lift this side anyway.
Okay. Yep.
Before I pop up the roof, I'm gonna give the solars a bit of a wipe, because when I put it down before, it was pretty dusty and stuff like that, and I heard that affects how much solar you actually get in. Hopefully I can reach this.
Can you hold the ladder? And you've cleaned about 1/8, Bubs, from that posi.
Yeah, I'm really cleaning fuck off from here. You reckon if I like slide across it, distribute my weight, it'll be alright? I'm gonna have to try it.
You doing it?
Yeah. I should be able to get the other one from the back. Maybe I should put some on the solar panel. So first day in SA, we're at 8 Mile Beach, and it has not stopped bucketing down, and I think I've literally picked the worst spot in this whole site, in this whole place. Let me give you a quick look. I've literally got like a moat around the whole, or a moat. Is that what they call it? A moat or a moat? Look at that. Like if I stand back, look at that. Look how much water there is. Like, I don't know what to do. Look at that, it's ankle deep. That is probably deep as fuck. Yeah, look at that. That's deep as. All around here. I was originally going to park here. Look how dry it is here. No puddles whatsoever. It is soaked. Soaked. I don't know what to do. So we got to move. Look, the thong's floating. I just don't know where to move to. Look at that. That's deep, man. Look. Whole foot goes under. It's just, trust me to pick the only spot that floods. I've went for a little walk. There's literally not one puddle anywhere. It's the only puddle in the whole joint. I'm gonna pack up and move somewhere, same place, but just somewhere that's not flooded, so I don't have to swim to get out of my van, you know what I mean? See, here it looks pretty dry, but it looks hilly. If it would have flooded, it would have flooded by now, you think? I don't know, closer to the beach. I'm thinking maybe park here. I don't know. I think we might have to, go here. We'll work it out. Jax, move! Got little visitors today. So we got to a new spot thanks to the help of everyone here on site. Everyone gave me a good chop out, especially this bloke here, Joe. I think we're in a better spot now. Man, you meet some great people on the road. Like I met Pete, I met Andrew, met Joe. Unbelievable the people you meet. So we're down at getting Mount Gambier and we came across this place called the Blue Lake. Never seen anything like it. Look how blue that is. Absolutely amazed, man. That is so blue. Like I expected it to be blue, but not like that. Looks photoshopped. So now we're at the sinkhole in the middle of Mount Gambier. There's just a sign saying there's no dogs, so we're gonna have to go down one by one. It's just weird how this is in the middle of like their town. Just sunk and they just started planting plants in here, putting steps down, and you don't get this stuff back home. Be a sick place to propose to your missus. Is anyone out there planning to do it? They're coming to South Australia. Why not? This sinkhole is literally in the middle of Mount Gambier, or close to the middle. It's a beautiful place, beautiful trees, so green. And then there's just a sinkhole that's covered in plants. It's beautiful. So I went down to BCF yesterday and got me some towing mirrors. Let's see how we go putting them on. About time I finally got some. Go. Probably just adjust it more when I put the caravan on. A little bit of shake from the engine, but what do you do? $70, can't complain. The end result.
Yum.
So I had to wake up bright and early this morning, about 7 o'clock, to go and empty the cassette. The closest dump point from us at the 8 Mile Creek free site is Port MacDonald on Elizabeth Street. So apparently there's a free dump point there. There it is. It's good they've got these public dump points everywhere. It does make it a lot easier. So it's only about 10 minutes from 8 Mile Creek. Job 1 done, emptying the cassette. Now I'm just on the search for water. Now I did see on Wikicamps there was a water point somewhere along here on this road. There it is, right there. There's a few of them actually. Beauty. I'm pretty sure it's because of the seaweed that's been washed up on the sand, but it fucking reeks. I wonder if it always smells like that. It just fucking smells like farts. So this is our last night at 8 Mile Creek. We got to be in Kingswood by next Monday, so a week from today. So we're going to start heading up slowly towards Robe and see all the places along there before we hit Kingswood. I just need to go there to get my solar checked out on my caravan, making sure that's all good, because I'm just not producing enough solar into my battery for some reason. I don't know why. I just got to get it checked out before I start heading further up north, or up towards Perth, because apparently you're not allowed to use generators there, and if I run out of battery I'll be in a bit of trouble. So yeah, I'm just doing a bit of sightseeing today, just having a look around before we go. So we just packed up at 8 Mile Creek, just on the border of South Australia and Victoria. Literally didn't make it that far in, but we're going to start heading off to Robe today. It's about an hour and 58 minutes from where I am now. 8 Mile Creek has been nice. We've got a beautiful spot. The beach is a bit smelly, I think because of all the seaweed that's been pushed up, and other than that, it's a nice area. Very, very old, like from what I've seen, like some very old areas but some nice areas, and yeah, it's different to what I'm used to back home. The whole reason I jumped on this, to get away from the normal back at home and see what this country's got to offer. pulled up in Port McDonald, just about 10 minutes up the road from where we're staying, just to fill up our water tanks, because they got water taps on the side of the road here, which is pretty handy. But the absolute smell that's coming from this water, it legit smells like diarrhea. Like, I can't, it reeks, absolutely reeks. Now I don't know if it's like that all year round or if it's just at the moment, I don't know, but it stinks. I can't fill up the water tanks quick enough. Nice area, but just, yeah, a bit smelly.
Should I stay here?